Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be tackling the big elephant in the room that a lot of ladies struggle with, blue eyeshadow. I've been asked so many times how to do a blue eyeshadow without looking like Mimi from the Drew Carey Show. So today I'm going to be playing with a palette that has all of the colors in it that I think would give you a subtle but super pretty blue eyeshadow look. I will link it in the description box below. If you have any questions at all, please leave them in the comments. And if there's something else that you would like to see me do, definitely give me feedback, comments, suggestions. I would really appreciate that. And if you would like to see how to get a modern day, pretty, soft blue eyeshadow look, please keep watching. Okay, so today I'm going to be playing with this eyeshadow palette. I'm going to be playing with these 3 blue shades and then this light peachy shimmer shade to kind of balance and offset it. So I'm going to start and I will let you guys know what I'm doing each step of the way. This is going to be a really thorough tutorial and hopefully it is easy to understand and it inspires you to give it a shot. Okay, so I'm going to start with like a medium denim color, and I want to diffuse the color and place it on my outer V, and in my kind of a little bit in my crease, which is just the space between your brow bone and your eye. That's your transition, your crease, and then the outer V is just literally making that shape out here. But we're gonna make it a little bit more soft and just wash the color in there. So I'm just gonna be taking a fluffy crease brush. Anyone would do. So just a fluffy crease brush. And just dabbing a little bit of color on the end. There, you can see it. You can see the brush through it too. Just like that. Let me turn my mirror and then just dabbing it on. Bringing it up here a little bit, but not all the way. And down on the lid. And then repeat on the other side. And then just looking to make sure that it's even, that you've swiped it across. Okay, so there you go, you've got your color. Then I'm going to be moving into this lighter color. We're going to swipe it across the eyelid, and I'm just taking a brush that has a nice side for eyeshadow and then also a sponge, which we're going to use later. And just kind of putting it across here and all the way up. We want to match it. And I like to overlap it just the littlest bit over the color that I already did. That helps give it a blended look. And it's kind of an easy way to blend. Next, I'm going to be taking a crease brush, really densely packed brush, and going into this dark navy color. We're going to be super light with this, but I want to make it look a little bit more smoky, so I'm going to deepen this outer corner on both sides, just by dabbing it in. You can see that color on there. Don't be afraid to wipe off the excess, or dab off the excess, tap off the excess. You can see it's really dark. I'm going to blend that in a second with my blending brush. I'm taking just a blending brush with a big fluffy bristles. And just a very soft blending motion and swirling motion. So the further away you hold your brush, the lighter your hand will be. If you want a firmer hand, you would move your hand closer to the bristles. But I want to just kind of blend it softly. Like that. So I'm going to show you the difference between both sides. That one's still super dark because we haven't blended it yet. So we'll go in and blend it. So there we go. You can see the colors. And then we have just this little peach shade to put on top. So I am going to take the sponge side of my brush. I just put a little bit of color on there. We're going to place it on the inner corner here. You want to always put a light color in here, a light shimmery color or a light flat matte color in here, because what that's going to do is that's going to open up your eyes, bring light to your eyes, and also make you look a little bit more youthful, and we all want that. Like that. You can see it. Sorry for that light. I've got some light peering in my blinds of my room. So like that, you can see that. And then we're going to take a little bit and put it up here. I'm going to swipe it pretty much underneath the whole entire eyebrow, and that will give a nice highlight underneath there, and also finish off your look so you don't have such a harsh line between all of your shades. And then always blend, blend, blend. We're just softening the lines, very light hand. Like that. And then I'm going to be taking this medium denim shade on just a very thin liner brush and swiping it underneath my lash line. You can put an eyeliner underneath here, but I like to do a shadow. Gives a smudgier, softer look. And it's super pretty. And that's pretty much it for the eye look. Hold on 1 second and I will come back with my mascara on. My lashes will be done and a lippy. And I'll be right back. Here's the finished look. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. I hope it was helpful. And if you have any questions at all about the products that I used, I will link everything in the description box below, as well as all of my social media accounts. If you do try this look, please feel free to tag me. I would love to see it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn your notifications on so you don't miss a single video. Thanks for being here, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye.